All right, guys, we got a 2021 Honda Accord. He's got a high flow downpipe, he's got a new front pipe, an entire boreless system on it. It was all stainless steel. He took the rear mufflers off, so it's all straight pipe now. He came in with the mufflers off, so I didn't get a chance to record it beforehand. But converter, high flow converter somewhere over there. Whole boreless stainless steel. It's all 2.5 all the way through the middle, and then goes into the Y pipe right there. And then it went into 2.25 originally. We continued it in 2.5. So just the Y pipe there is in 2.25. Then we put new NETAMI black chrome. They're 3-inch outlet tips on there, right there and there. Out the back right there. A whole lot nicer. So there it is. It's fully straight pipe now. There's the system. So I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. A lot better. Sound decibels? At 107.
It's mainly like those high RPM shifts.
Yeah.
I feel right here like that raspy kind of party noise. That's good though. Very nice.
Let you guys hear it on the inside. 2021 Honda Accord, high flow downpipe, high flow cat downpipe, and Borla intermediate all the way through on a kit. And then we did a rear delete with new quad tips.